Okay guys, what's up? It's JustGameON here, and I'm doing a spoofing tutorial for you guys. Like and subscribe, help me get to 1,000 subscribers, and join the gaming. Without further ado, let's get on with the tutorial. So first, you would want to go to Google Play Store. Then you would want to go in the search bar and type in Fly GPS. Now you see this like moving thing. If you see this icon on one of the apps, that means you have to. That's the app you would need. Sorry, you would click on that app, and it says, I don't remember, but it's this right here. If it has the icon of this, and if the company was from King. So yeah. After then download it. After it's downloaded, open it. There's a map. You can go anywhere in the world with that map, but you have to have a good quality phone. I don't have a good quality phone, so I have to be near my house, which is why my characters keep on moving back and forth. Now, you have to click on where you want to go, click GPS service run, then click on move location mode only, because fixed location mode won't work on Pokemon Go because it won't ban you, but it detects that your location can't be found, that error. So once it's done loading, you go to the place you wanted to go, and there's the joystick. The reason why this is here, the compass with the wings, you just click on that and you can go straight to the map and come back. But I recommend you go there, restart Pokemon Go and go back. And this works best with the best phones out there. And this also has joystick. So I'm gonna give you proof on the spoof. Like I'm about to move. It might lag so bad to the point like, geesh. As you guys can see, there's Execute, Hoot Hoot, and Weedle. I'm gonna move a bit near that Pokestop. You see, my character is moving, which is what we want. 2 more Pokemon. And guys, if your phone starts to lag or like something is wrong, like it's gonna blow, get out of the app immediately. Don't risk it. It works for any Pokestop out there, so yeah. It might teleport back to where you live, but that's okay. It won't glitch out. If it does in multiple, then you want to get out. And if it shows that, you're fine. You're fine. So that's proof that this works. I'm gonna get the execute. Sometimes it'll glitch when you click on Pokemon, you try to catch it. It will always, it'll always say that the Pokemon fled. Restart the app. So, yeah. Hopefully it can load. So, I'm gonna catch this execute. Okay, I'm terrible curveballer. Just straight on. So they took that the hard way. 1, 2, 3. See? So this hack works completely great. I recommend you guys have this method from JustGameON. And yeah. Just Game On is Just Game Off. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.